I'm Richard Reuter. I live here with my wife, Melissa, and our 2 kids and 2 noisy dogs. We're here in the north end of St. Paul. Really enjoyed the neighborhood. There's a lake nearby that we like to walk around to, and even close enough to walk to the state fair if we really feel like it. When we bought the house, it definitely had a few things that we have to get this fixed.
They knew what they wanted, they just didn't know necessarily what materials to use or how to get there.
It had tiles that were duct taped to the walls. The kitchen was really dark, closed off.
We just needed to open things up for them a little bit.
Compared to what it was, it's just so much lighter. It's opened up now. You couldn't have asked for anything better.
So at the end of the day, we want to make sure the homeowner is able to sell their home and still make a profit.
Without the renovations that Ryan at ROC did, there's no way that we would have had as much success selling it. Without hesitation, Ryan with ROC is the way to go.